What are you doing, Carter? Carter, let's look at your book.
He left outside though.
See your book? The birdies?
A bird.
The birdies?
Have you seen him at all since you've been here?
Oh yeah.
A bird. A bird go.
Where'd the birdie go?
A bird go.
Where did he go?
A go.
I don't know.
No.
I don't know either.
No.
Yeah, you don't know either?
Oh, shark.
Oh, shucks.
Cypress.
Yeah, we can't find the birdies.
Cypress.
Where are the birdies?
Go.
Where'd they go?
Go.
Do they fly?
Is that no more?
They're not flying anymore? Are they eating?
Thing.
Where'd they go?
Just kissed me.
Where'd they go?
Yeah.
Oh, go. Go.
Maybe they're sleeping.
Let's take him home.
Oh,
yeah.
listen.
Hey
They're
Mom,
eating?
can I take him some
Okay.
board games? Scrabble or
A bird.
Oh, did you see one?
I know
See
there's one down
one?
there that is.
You
one
saw
that
one?
none
Oh, I
of us
see it.
have even played yet. It's not
You
a
see
board
it
game,
too?
It's a knowledge game.
And eat the one.
Yep, that one's
I
eating.
got it when I was like 16.
Oh, don't take
And it
this
was
how to
too hard.
horse to murder,
Yeah.
because that's smart.
Eat the one.
Dictionary.
You're gonna kick my computer.
Cribbage.
A bird.
Oh.
My,
A
can I
bird.
take that? I don't know where my board is. I had a board in Alaska that was a travel one. So
Oh,
that I
be
could
careful.
have it, and I've
What's
never
that?
seen it
What's
since.
that? Here, press this one.
Is there an accident?
Don't let Carter get into it. I want all the pieces
Yeah.
to stay with.
Well,
Can you say hi, Carter?
never played before, so I
Can you
wanted
say
to
hi?
take
For one.
Can you wave hi?
a deck of cards, but we didn't
Hi.
have it.
Do you see yourself? No, don't press the buttons.
Well, you might want to check to make sure.
Ooh.
Ooh. Why do you keep doing that?
No.
Oh, that mine trap? Is
Yeah,
that
that's-
Ow.
That was mine.
Look
You bought it
out.
when I was like 16, and I read one of the
There's a
cards, and it
birdie.
was too hard.
You
for
see
me
the
to
birdie?
put it away.
Oh, I saw the birdie.
It's, you have to know. I don't know.
What are you doing?
Played it, but,
Like.
you know, you travel this.
Yeah, you bit yourself.
Team
Why'd you
one,
do
team
that?
two,
Don't
when
bite
you read
yourself.
something, You gotta know.
Carter.
You gotta solve
Carter.
it. A child is born in Boston,
Oh, it's a
Massachusetts.
birdie.
to parents
It's a
who-
bird.
to
You see a
parents
birdie?
who were both
See a birdie.
born in
Yeah.
Boston, Massachusetts. This child is not an American citizen. How could this be possible?
Mm.
Adopt it. Like, you have to come up with a solution.
What's that?
But, like,
What is that?
there's only one.
What's the
Oh,
answer?
are you
actually,
doing?
it's a hard. See, these are hard. The child was born before 1776, the year of the Declaration of Independence, and is therefore a British subject. Like, how would you know that? And I'm like,
What are you pressing?
16.
A
I'm like,
bicycle.
You're pressing a button?
you know what I'm saying? Like,
Oh,
some
boy,
of them are
back.
hard, some of them are.
You're pressing a button?
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, exactly. But it's,
weird. How did you do that? That's cool.
Okay.
Yeah, what button did you press?
Oh, it's a
point you move on.
Huh.
problem
Yeah.
solving.
So, but I mean, if you have to take over, it would be kind of a
Ooh.
cool one since none of us
Ooh.
have played.
Oh.
Would you rather?
Yeah.
That's
That's-
yours, isn't it?
No, the would you rather is your guys's.
Oh, it's mine?
No, I
Oh, it's someone's, not mine. Okay, Carter. We can be
All
done
I
now.
ask is that if you take anything out of there, any games out of there,
Okay.
that
We're done.
you keep them away from.
Oh, we're done.
Yeah, because I don't want them to.
You can look at your book, your birdie book. Nope, just look at your birdie book. Look, Carter.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it does.
You know, you're just too busy looking at yourself.
Oh, boy.
Yep, the birdie.
Domino's. It only has two sides.
Oh, but it's a push on the book. Oh, it's a push.
I mean,
Yeah, I know.
I think it's more fun.
I
Oh,
know.
look at the hummingbird.
Chinese checkers.
Oh, my boy.
Hummingbird.
Hey.
Wow, you guys actually are back.
Do you see it?
Oh, wait.
Carter.
There it is.
Birdie.
Yeah,
Don't, you gotta not. You can't move very fast. You have to stay still so you don't scare them.
Boy.
Yep. You guys go still.
I'm a boy.
Carter.
Hummingbird.
Go still. Hummingbird. Yeah.
I'm a boy.
Hummingbird.
Yes.
Eat the wood
The
by day.
hummingbird is eating. Yes. drinking juice.
It's the joy.
Drinking juice.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, chicken joy.
Yep.
Birds drinking juice. Yeah.
Oh, Buddy said me too. Oh,
What did you
oh,
say?
oh,
Birdie?
Buddy. Oh.
Did he fly away?
Somewhere? No.
No. Where'd he go?
I'll go.
Where'd he go?
I'll go. Oh,
One of those Scrabble games is large, and I think it's that
It's
red
the-
one.
This one? Yeah, because we had the old one.
oh. Yummy.
There's extra Scrabble pieces.
Is
there.
it?
Yeah.
Is that?
It was a
No,
game that
say
Grandma
it.
and Grandpa had, Scrabble, and there were different parts.
Oh,
So
they
she just
give
gave
us
me
this.
the
Oh, okay.
for
Alright, let's be done.
Open it one.
Can you press this button right here?
What's a picture?
Yep.
I think
And
there's a
then-
storyboard
okay,
right
hold on.
there.
Press this.
What?
Okay, let go, and then we're gonna press this button right here. Press this one.